Lax Mode for all of my clients is a maintenance level of nutrition phase. Now we typically do that throughout the holiday season, just because one, we're going to get our workouts in, we're going to maintain the results that we've gotten, and two, everybody wants to eat throughout the holidays. So why are you going to try to restrict yourself when you're having Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, all of that fun stuff? Actually live your life. Now in Lax Mode, what you're going to do, you're going to focus on eating well Monday through Friday. And the way I describe this is on the weekend, you'll have 3 to 4 cheat meals on a weekend. And a cheat meal, in my terms, eat whatever you want to, drink whatever you want to, but it has to be within those meal frames. 3 to 4, and then as soon as Monday rolls around, you're right back to your game plan. Now in Lax Mode, I'm gonna introduce one macro out of all the macros, and that first macro is your protein intake. You need to start tracking your protein intake just to see what you're hitting. Now, if you wanna look good and you wanna live the lifestyle and you wanna look good for the rest of your life, you need to just eat protein regardless, or drink your protein shakes. With that being said, females need to have anywhere between 80 to 100 grams of protein a day, and males need to have anywhere between 150 to 200, and it can be within that range. You don't have to be spot on, but the reason being is because if you eat protein, you're gonna look good, you're gonna have lean muscle, and that's all you need to worry about. So you're gonna take everything step by step and start off slow. Practice using MyFitnessPal, just plug in whatever you're eating. You don't have to do it every day, just get an idea of where you're starting from, and just see what you're hitting in your protein. Once you do this for a couple weeks or a month or whatever you need to do it in, just hit your protein. Once you feel comfortable with that, you did it for a couple weeks, then you've mastered Lax Mode, and then you can move into semi-strict.